Hi everyone! Today I am going to be making 紅白なます for Osechi Ryori. I am introducing how to make delicious vegan Japanese cuisine using fermented food each week on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss my new videos. In Japan, we eat Osechi Ryori on New Year's Day.Osechi Ryori is a traditional Japanese dish that celebrates the new year and prays for a healthy year. Among them, I will introduce some traditional plant-based osechi dishes. The dish I'm going to introduce today is 紅白なます. 紅白なます is red and white radish and carrot pickles. In Japan, red and white colors are used for celebrations. Let's make it together.Ingredients. First, peel the radish thickly. This skin is delicious when pickled, stir-fried, or kakiage, so don't throw it away. Cut the radish into half moons and slice it into thin slices. It doesn't cut in a round shape because it feels scary to cut the ingredients at a high place from the cutting board. Therefore, if you are uneasy, you should prepare the ingredients as low as possible before cutting. Third, shift the radish and cut it into julienne. Fourth, put in a bowl. Fifth, if you can do Katsuramuki, please peel it a little thicker like this.6. Because namasu is not delicious when cut into ultra-thin julienne because it only tastes like seasoning. 7th. After cutting to an appropriate length, cut into strips along the fibers. 8th. Throw it in water so that you can easily see the details. You can see the difference in fineness. By the way, in the case of sashimi garnishing, cut it into very thin strips like this. I cut it along the fiber after doing Katsuramuki for namasu. However, when you use as a tsuma, meaning garnishing for sashimi, it actually cuts the fiber.This will increase the flexibility or release the unpleasant smell of radish. In the case of a tsuma, it should be soft and should not have any smell so that the raw fish can be complemented. Even with the same radish, the texture and taste will change depending on how you cut it. The cutting method is changed depending on the application.When I was practicing Japanese cooking, it was a day of discovery and surprise. 9th, peel the carrots and cut them into julienne. 10th, put in a bowl.11th, add 1/4 teaspoon salt to each of the radish and carrot and mix. 12th, prepare the pickling liquid. Put water, rice vinegar, salt and sugar in a pot and bring it to a boil. By doing this, the acidity becomes mellow. Cool to room temperature.13th, cut yuzu in half and squeeze the juice. If you don't have yuzu, add your favorite citrus juice, or you don't have to put it in. Combine the yuzu juice with the pickle juice. 14th, squeeze out as much moisture as you can from radish and carrot. After loosening, add pickle liquid and mix. It's done. Place in a clean container and store in the refrigerator. It can be stored for about a week. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and Shojin cuisine on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。